you've got to upload some kind of image and then set that image as requiring a change. We can definitely take a look at that. So if we come into the orders list here, and let's take a look at adding a new order. Let's get a product in here. So let's swap this out. All right, so we've got a product here in the designer, and in order to create an artwork job, you've got to upload a graphic. And Talia's question is, I may not have the artwork at this stage when I'm quoting the customer. So what can I do to kind of work around that? There's a couple things you can do. You can add a placeholder onto the item, and this placeholder does allow you to enable the artwork job. It also enables you to, set your quoting. For example, for screen printing, you can still go in and say how many colors is that design going to be. Oops, let me do placeholder screen printing. So right now it's set as a one color, but you can go in and change how many colors that image is going to be. You can also add these placeholders through this decoration screen, and this is actually how I see most people do it. Is they'll come in here, they'll click into the decorations column, and they'll just start ticking on areas that are going to be decorated, right? So they don't necessarily have the artwork, but they know this item is going to have a screen printed front, and or this item is going to have an embroidered left chest, right? So you tick on these options, uh, and once you tick on the option, you can click into the price field, and again, that's where you can go in and say how many colors is this design. Even though I don't have artwork yet, I know that it's going to be a full body front and it's going to be a three-color graphic. So by setting these attributes here, you're kind of telling the system beforehand how you want this to be priced out. And again, if you pull that into the designer, you have the option to check the design requires changes option, which is going to create an artwork job for you. Um, the other thing I would mention, which I don't think this option is used too much, but the system does provide you a way to upload a placeholder image. So the one that we're seeing here in the Business Hub, that's kind of the default placeholder image, but you can upload your own. The other thing that you can do, which I've seen people do, is upload. So they don't necessarily set it as a placeholder image here. They just have an image locally on their system that they upload. So when they go to add customer design, they upload that placeholder image. And that's another alternative as well.